Have a wonderful day to all of us. Dito sa buong mundo, sa iba't ibang countries, kung saan kayo, kung ano ginagawa ninyo, lalo na sa mga nagtrabaho, hindi nagtrabaho, may mga sakit, or good health. This one I have a nice, very nice this one. Decoration to look attract in your own home or even apartment, condo, adi, ini, whenever, kumbaga pa. So, coffee, and this one is for the sugar also, and this one for the tea. Talaga, ayan, very nice frame. Okay, and always there is flower base, a plant base. Wala namang flower, diba? Di mawawala yan. You can put any candies or bubble gum or chocolate. And this one also is, also tingin ko kasi this one parang wood, pero very very good smell. Dito lagyan, you put the charcoal here, the charcoal or the candle. This one like this one is the candle, but it's finished already, and it's become hot. This one, it's become smoke. Turn around inside in the house, and it's make good smell, very very good smell talaga yan. Nako. This one is the coffee. Okay, and this one is the coffee. Turkish coffee, like that one. Arabian coffee. This one is for the water. Okay, and I have something also to say. And Arabian, pure Arabian coffee. Yun talaga yan. Iraqi, mostly the Iraqi are using this one. It's Arabian or Iraqi, Iranian or Kuwaitis, sa mga ganito. They are using this one to make tea. Oh, not tea, coffee pala, coffee. Arabian coffee. They call it Arabian coffee. You see? Very nice. Mga cute talaga, mga cute. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you to like me or not like. The important for me that you subscribe me and you are watching again my videos. Thank you. Ingat lagi. Take care talaga. And be happy. Okay, kasi when you are very very rich, if you didn't take care of your health, money is nothing. Life is so good, and life is so great, and life is so important to all one of us. Again, thank you. Bye.